Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. Also, happy Black History Month. Shout out to all my Black queens and kings out there. You know, Black power. But anyways, jumping straight into this video, you guys already know what it is. I use the same products every time. I will be leaving them in the description box down below. But for the newcomers, I am priming my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, my holy grail. Also, now that I mentioned that, for the newcomers, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And for the old people that's here, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe. What you doing? What are y'all doing? Missing out. All right, y'all, so grabbing that brown transition shade out of the Juvias Place Zulu palette. By the way, I did get some new palettes from Juvias Place. I will be using those in the video today. Right now, I will be, right now. So, this red shade that I'm using is called Izafa. Yeah, that's what it is. But I'm using that, and I'm putting that all over my crease area. I'm right, under the transition shade. And I'm just going to blend that in from the outer all into the inner corner. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my same primer and put that on my lids, just because this color that I'm using, which is Ofala. I'm going to pack that in, and you just go ahead and you put any type of primer or concealer that's just lighter than your shade, just to make that, that color pop a little bit more. That's what we're going for. Just going to grab a fluffy brush and just blend those two colors in seamlessly, so that, they look like they're one, but they're really not one, because y'all can see the transition from dark to light. And then I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm going to put some under my eyes, because I'm going to be putting some color under there. And I find that if I don't go ahead and put some type of primer or concealer when I try to apply colors on my bottom lash, like those colors just don't stick. So I'm just taking that same Ofala color and I'm going to pack that under there and just blend that out with a tapered brush. I find that those help. And then also I took a fluffy brush and went and blew that color out a little bit more, just so it could, it could look really, really smoky under my eyes.
What is that on your face? Are you doing something different? Cause this is not usual.
What are you talking about?
I never seen you do this before.
A red look?
Yeah, but all around the damn face.
It's not all around my face, it's under my eyes. Oh, jeez. Y'all, I'm not really gonna tell y'all what products I'm using for my face, because literally, y'all know I use the same products every time. I probably might change a few things here and there, but as far as my face goes, I really use the same stuff over and over again. And I know somebody out there asking, why is she always using the same products? Because, well, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, And also, if it ain't empty, why would you throw it away? Why would you stop using it? And also, honey, it's affordable. Listen, that Maybelline Fit Me is like $5, and as of right now, I don't got $50 to spend on some YSL. Look, I can't even remember all the names of the other expensive stuff. I just don't got the funds. I'm a full-time college student, honey. Bills have to be paid. into my new Afrique palette, I'm going to grab the shade Fifi and put that into my inner tear ducts just a little bit, not too much. I really like this shade, by the way. It's like a red, kind of rosy kind of color. Like, honestly, you almost wouldn't even know that it's like, I don't know, you almost wouldn't even know that it's there, like sitting on top of all these other colors. But I thought that it complemented it really well. But also I'm going to take the shade Toffee, and I'm going to put that on my waterline. I couldn't think of any other shades to use out of this palette to put on there because I thought that this coffee shade was so cute, but I didn't want to do the traditional and put it in my tear ducts. I thought I'd switch it up and put the Fifi in there instead of Fifi on the waterline because that's what y'all would expect me to do. But you see, I'm doing something different. All right, y'all, so grabbing the liquid highlighter from Wet n Wild, I'm just going to preset my face, and then I'm going to take my brush and pat in that liquid highlighter. I find that that really helps it set better, and then it also makes it glow really, really well. I did find that, you know, some liquid highlighters, like this one, is really thick, so you might want to preset your face just to make it glide on better, is what I found. And then also I'm going to highlight the high points of my face and also my brow bone. You guys don't forget that. Like that's like the icing on the cake for me, highlighting my brow bone. It just does something to my look, especially if your brows are snatched. And then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade dark brown. I'm just going to outline the outer portion of my lips. And then I'm going to grab the Nana Coco lip gloss in the shade Sweet Love, I believe. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Like, that shade is so pretty, you guys. It's like a nude pink. But I will say, I repeat, do not wear this shade without a lip liner. Like, it just, to me, it can almost make your lips look a little ashy. But that's about it for this look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching.